Welcome to Learning Math Skills with Kashif. So today we are going to start our new topic, and our new topic is, what is this? Can you familiar with this sign? What is this? That is the sign of percentage. As you know, that is the sign of percentage. Percentage comes from a Latin word, that is percentum. What is this? A Latin word, that is percentum. What does it mean? It means out of 100 of any value, that is called percentage. Percentage is basically a compulsory part of your life. Like as a student, you often saw on your marks percentage, what percentage marks you got in maths, what is to a total percentage, how is your marks obtained percentage. And if you move around in the city, you look at the big billboards, they are written, there are 70% flat discount, there are 50% flat discount. So what is this, that word is? So similarly, if you got, you can explain you with a very easy example. If you got 8 marks of maths out of a test of 10 marks, so what is the percentage of your marks? Simply, how many marks you got? 8. So what are the total marks? That is 10, and while you multiply it with the 100, you will get your answer in percentage. Your answer is 80%, right? So in this way you will calculate the percentage. And similarly, this percentage is it, you know, to convert the decimal form into the percentage and the fraction form into the percentage, and how you convert the percentage form, the given form, into the fraction form or in the actual amount. So let's consider an example that find 30% of 2400, right? So how you find the 30% of 2400, right? So what is the total value? That is 2400, and you have to find the 30%. So there is a sign of percentage. So when we have to find the percentage of any value, we will divide it with the 100. Means 30 over 100 multiplied by 2400. So these 20 cuts with this one, and what will be your answer? You will multiply 30 with 24, so you will get your answer, that is 720. Now just try to understand what I told you, what you have to do in this chapter at level 6 book. What you have to do, what you find 30% of a number, that is total number 240. What is the 30% of 240? 30% is of 240 is 720. Now I change my question. Okay, now what are the new question? The data is the same. I will change the question. If 30% of a number is 720, what is the number? What is the number? Like, so what is the difference between these two questions? 30% of total is, first we have to find 30% of total, that is 720. Now in this chapter, in this topic, at this level, you have to solve such kind of questions. Mean 30% of or 20%, 25% of any number, a part of any number is given to you, and you find the whole value, you find the original value, you can say. Okay, so 30% of a number is 720. What is the total value? What you did here? Here you did 30 over 100. Now we have to find the total value, right? Original value, that is what is the number. So what we have to do here, 100 comes in the numerator, means you will write here your answer. You have to find the 30. It means 100 divided by 30 multiplied by the 30%, that is 720. So you cut with 0 and 3 24s are, and your answer is 2400, right? So in the previous class, in the class 5 or 4, you find solve such kind of questions that find the 30% of this one, find the 20% of this one, find the 50% of this one. So now the 30% or 50% or 60% is given to you, and you find the whole value, you find the actual value for which value, that is the percentage of that one. So for such questions we always multiply with the 100 and divided by the percentage portion given to you. So we will solve some questions from your textbook, then you can easily understand this topic. So I write some questions from your workbook. So let's start to solve. First question is that 50% of a number is 6. What is the total number? Okay, just remember that 50% of a number is 6. So there are two ways to solve these questions. One way is that simply you have to write it. How you will write? Percentage comes in the denominator, 100 comes in the numerator. Simply you will write 100 divided by 50 multiplied by 6, and you will get your answer. The other way in which you can solve this question, that is also the same method, but you have to write some sentence. Write this. Look here, 50% of a number, you will write here 50% of a number. So what is the 50% of a number? That is 6. So 1% of the number, what will be the 1%? We call it a unitary method. So we will find 1% of a number. 1% of a number. So how can you find the 1% of a number? Simply we will divide it with the percentage. 6 divided by 50. We will do the same step in each question. Okay, now what we have to find? We are going to find the 100%. What is the total value and what is the 100%? So it means 100% of the number. So what will we do? 6 over 50 multiplied by 100. So what will be your answer? 50 2s are and 6 2s are 12 is the total value. So similarly, if we solve this, what do you get? 50 2s are and 6 2s are 12. In both ways we will get the same answer. Okay, you can solve it directly or you can write in this way and then you solve or calculate your answer. So just come here. What is this? 12% of an amount of a water in a container, that is 96 milliliter, sorry. So you will write here 12% of water. What is the 12% of water? That is 96 milliliter. So what will be the 1% of water? That is 96 divided by 12. So what we have to want to find? We are going to find 100% of water. So what is the answer? 96 over 12 multiplied by 100, right? So now you can simplify it. You can simplify at the table of 4, that is 25, and 4 3s are, and then 3 into, that is 32. Multiply 32 with the 25 and that is your required answer. So in this way you can solve all these questions. Keep one thing remember, that you have to find the whole value in all these questions. These questions are from your textbook, so you have some portion, some percentage is given to you and you have to find the whole value. Look here, one more question. 20% of a number is 7. So what you write here? 20% of a number, that is 7. So what is 1%? 1% of number, 7 over 20. So what we are going to find? We are going to find 100% of a number, that is 7 over 20 into 100, right? So 20 5s are and 7 5s are 35, means 20% of 35 is equal to 7. We have to find the total value in each question. So here Mr. Ali spent $1,800. This was the 30% of his total income, right? So what is his total income? Means he spent 30%, that is 1800. So what you write here? You will write here 30% of the income. What is 30% of the income? That is $1800. So what is 1%? 1% of the income, that is 18 divided by 30. And what we are going to find? We will going to find the 100%, mean the original salary. What is the total income? 1800 divided by 30 into 100. So it's very easy. 0 cuts with 0, 3 with, that is 60. So original value is 6,000. Means his total income is 6,000, and out of which 30% is $1800. So quite easy topic, right? Income here, 30% of a number is 65. So what will be the total original value? What is the overall number? So similar way we can solve. 13% of a number, that is 65. 1% of the number, that is 65 divided by 13. And 100% of a number, what will be that? 65 over 13 into 100. So 13 fives are, so it means the original number is 500. Clear? Easy? Okay. So come here. In a school, 55% of pupils are girls. There are 540 boys. Okay. Now just look here. And we have to find the total strength of the school, or total strength of the school. Yes, total number of students. So that these are questions from your textbook. You can find this question on your textbook from the unit of percentage. So 50% of pupils are girls, but the number of boys are given to you. So if 55% of pupils are girls, so how many percentage of boys? Simply you will write girls percentage. What is this? That is 55%. So what will be the boys percentage? How can you find? Quite easy, that you will subtract 55 from the 100. 100 minus 55, you will get your answer, that is 45% of boys. So the boys, how many boys are there? 540 boys. 540 boy means the 45% of boys are 540. So what will be the total strength of the school? We have to find. So what will be the total strength of the school? So similarly as we did in the previous question, only the one thing is that one step is that we have to find the percentage is given of girls and the strength of the boys are given to you. So first we will find the percentage of the boys. So how will you write here? That is 45% of boys, that is 540. So 1% of the boys means 540 divided by 45. And what will be the 100% of the boys? So 540 over 45 multiplied by 100. So you can simplify at the table of 5 20 fives are, and 9 fives are, and 9 60. 60 multiplied by 20 means total there are students, that is 1200, out of which 45% is of boys, that is 540, and rest of the 55% are girls. So that's all for today. I hope you understand how to find the whole value if the some portion, some percentage is given to you. So at the end, don't forget to share, subscribe and like Learning Math Skills with Kashif. Do practice these questions from your textbook at your home. So practice make a man perfect, as I said it quite a few times again and again, and I believe it that practice, if you do the math question at your home, then you will be a good at mathematics. See you till next lecture.